I am well conquered and vanquished by love, for I follow such a path there, where I take more of shame, more of trouble. I return more willingly, therefore I know it is truth. The joy is much greater when it is dearly bought than that which is cheap. Than for what happened to me, but yet I do not pretend. Rather I am more truthful than would be necessary for me, for it still appears by my sides how I was led there, and then it is all digested, since it pleases my lady. Since my chastity it shames and robs lovers, let it not weigh on him if I reproach him. For he who does a shameful deed ought to hear reproach. And because for a few pennies I was robbed in his court, the blame remains with him, and he would be more honored if he had avenged it. And then the poignant tear, because he first made war, was cast down by him, and he has always led his good close friends like dung beetles. Therefore his county is enriched and grown, but what he holds by force is worth less than a herring. He took a cloistered monk, from whom he took the monastery, but yet he has robbed Saint Felix and Mornas. But Tripoli, know this, was nobly conquered from him. Short I destroy, and then I remember so much of it that I do not extend myself further. For at Neufchâtel he has an enemy and warrior, so that my Garcignat holds up Peter in peace. And if he's forgiven, the sin wrongfully belongs to him. Lady, your beauty and your fine renowned worth make every other joy that ever came seem like chaff to me. In you I rejoice and remain with entire heart, from which I have greater solace. Ah, lady, may humility and worth and pity place you between my arms.
Lady Vienna, it is proven that he is badly taught, who has distanced us from our friendship.
Therefore my chastity, if he is burned by Rome, may it happen to him, but it is a sin, since he is not entirely tainted.